Custom software developers often go unrecognized for meeting diverse customer demands. Bespoke software enhances workflows, productivity, and stakeholder engagement, enabling companies to grow. However, testing is equally crucial. Historically, software testing was manual, tedious, and error-prone. Test automation has revolutionized the process, making it faster, cheaper, and more accurate, improving cross-platform, functional, and performance testing. Despite these benefits, many companies struggle with selecting and evaluating test automation vendors, leading to subpar testing and harming software quality and developers' reputations. Can integrate test automation into their services, offering a seamless solution that combines software development and testing. Advanced cross-platform test automation ensures consistent user experiences, speeds up the software development lifecycle, SDLC, and provides valuable insights. Automated functional UI and performance testing ensure responsive, user-friendly interfaces and assess software under different loads. Unlimited licensing models make high-quality testing cost-effective. Establishing a robust test automation practice involves aligning it with the development delivery model, involving the right experts, and choosing versatile tools. In conclusion, integrating test automation into custom software development enhances reliability and service offerings, benefiting both customers and vendors by delivering well-developed, thoroughly tested software.